Sensibility and practicality define the 2020 Ram 1500. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, power front seats, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated and ventilated seats, and leather upholstery. The memory system includes pedal position, allowing multiple drivers to find their preferred driving positions easily. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.